gotta have the fucking deed. Oh shit! You fucking stupid fucking asshole.
Oh, man, babe, thank God we've already 5 minutes faster.
You ought to turn this motherfucker around.
No, I'm not.
Studied abroad, and then she says I'm proficient in and list about 10 computer programs I never. And I said to him, get her out of here.
No, you.
Give me a match. I'm gonna light that resume on fire. She's too good. She's too good. I wouldn't last 5 minutes if they hired her. There's no way. That's a problem. It's a problem.
See, I look at it from a different angle.
What do you have?
You put a...
Good. Yes! He's gonna get popped. He's gonna get popped.
Perfect.
What? He's getting pulled over.
Yeah, we gotta get over.
wank.
That's the tall slide. You can't even see the top of it. It's that tall.
That's all it is.
Yeah, look at this. Is that part prison?
Stupid bent. They went straight through a red light when there's people trying to.
Figures a cherry. Stephen Hawking's in my library. My MySpace page is all totally pinned out. Got people begging for my top 8 spaces. Yo, I know I owe 1,000 prices. Ain't got no grill, but I still wear braces. I order all of my sandwiches.
Yeah, seriously, the last 50 times I've ordered through drive-thru and they have it correct on screen and repeat it back correctly, but then when I get my food, look at the ticket on the burger itself, it's correct. Drive all the way home and
20 under the speed limit is just as bad as speeding. Idiot!
Yeah.
I mean, to be fair, the doctor that I see is also a nurse practitioner.
I mean, they serve their purpose when you're just sort of general health, you know.
But I have seen a doctor at the same. Jesus Christ!
Whoa! What the hell is that?